And this is the photo we do every day. And I did a cool trick. So if you're watching, kids, you should see this video. It's so amazing. You what's the word?
You'll be amazed?
You'll be amazed.
Okay, why don't you do it for us then?
Look, so these are the sticks we're not going to be on.
Show us your trick.
This is, I better go over there.
Okay.
So,
are you ready?
Do a trick. Kids, be watching.
And kids, wear your helmets.
I'm just an expert.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Don't just try this at home. This is my home. Okay?
Okay, go.
See the other bike?
You've been talking for a minute. Go.
My friends are coming over here. If you want to see me doing it, you should be by watching. Ready? Set. Kids, don't try this at home. Ready? Everyone, I'm an expert. You're just watching it.